I'm Ava. I've always been drawn to the mystery and beauty of plants. One morning, while wandering in the overgrown garden of our family home, I stumbled upon a hidden, rusted gate covered in ivy. Curiosity got the better of me, and I pushed it open. Beyond the gate lay a secret garden, untouched and wild. It was a hidden oasis bursting with life. Flowers I'd never seen, ancient trees, and a small, sparkling pond. The air was filled with the fragrance of blossoms and the sound of nature. As I explored, I noticed a rare flower, one I had only read about in my botanical studies. It was the legendary Luna bloom, known for its healing properties. The garden was not just beautiful, it was magical. Inspired, I began to care for the garden. Days turned into weeks. I pruned the overgrown bushes, tended to the neglected plants, and the garden began to thrive under my care. It became my sanctuary, a place of peace and discovery. Eventually, I decided to share this wonder. I invited friends and family. Their awe and joy at the beauty of the garden were overwhelming. The secret garden was a secret no more, but a source of wonder for all. The garden became a part of our community, a place for people to gather, learn, and find solace. As for me, I found my purpose. The secret garden was no longer just a part of our home. It was a legacy I was determined to cherish and protect.